Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create an account on the Etsy application. So how to create an account on the Etsy application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Etsy Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Etsy Store app. Next, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This will appear. Next, tap Sign In. This will appear. Next, enter your email address. Once done, tap Continue. Here, you can enter your account name. Then, create a password. Once done, tap Continue. You will see that the account has been successfully created. This is how the Etsy app looks. So that's it, this tutorial on how to create an account on the Etsy application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.